I'm Mijun of Follow Me Foodie, and we're here at Dynasty shooting for the World of Flavors. Tell us about yourself.
我係呢度嘅總廚梁家寶。今日咧，我會做一隻竹絲雞，嘅名叫做紫氣東來竹絲雞。依個菜式係全新嘅菜式，係特別為雞年咧設計呢個菜式嘅。咁啊，所以叫紫氣東來，呢個係好靚嘅名，好意頭嘅菜。
So this is a brand new dish, and you can use so many different chickens. Why the black silky chicken?
好好嘅問題，因為咧竹絲雞喺飼養歷史已經有2000年，因為佢滋補養顏、營養價值高，所以咧喺雞年咧用竹絲雞係相當好嘅一個食材，就係將隻雞喺湯嗰度浸熟佢。關鍵係喺咩咧？半個鐘頭就得㗎啦，啲水滾，然後咧熄火半個鐘頭。過冰嗱，而家咧隻雞浸熟咗啦，最關鍵一個步驟咧就係放落冰水度過冷河。嗱，而家咧我哋將隻雞放落啲冰水度，嗱，跟住咧最關鍵呢一個啦，就係我哋個 recipe 講嘅水啦。嗱，我哋呢個水咧就係用咗香葉、草果、桂皮同埋泰國嘅野山椒同埋幾粒八角，有魚露，然之後咧。就將呢隻雞放落呢個竹絲雞水度浸4個鐘頭就可以食啦。就要搞一個汁，就係用原來嘅汁，用1/4杯嘅原來嘅汁，加1/4杯嘅呢個純味鮮豉油淋落去，呢個菜就完成啦。
So how did you come up with this recipe?
我係咁樣諗嘅，因為坊間咧做嘅竹絲雞全部都係蒸啊、湯啊，咁我諗下，依個咁嘅做法嘅竹絲雞咧，可以上得台，南北嘅口味都可以融和一齊，咁所以咧我就諗咗一個用野山椒嚟浸嘅竹絲雞。
So is this dish meant to be eaten cold or warm or hot? And what does it taste like? What's the flavor like?
其實呢個雞咧最好咧係 room temperature。呢個味咧佢有少少嘅花椒、八角、滷水嘅幽香，但係有野山椒有少少辣味咧帶出佢嘅質感。
好食啊！而家都聽到流口水啊！開始食啦！好滑啊！Really silky, really smooth, really savory. A little bit spicy at the end. It's a leaner type of chicken, so the outside, it's almost a lot about the skin as well. The meat itself is very lean, but not dry at all. Thank you, Chef Sam Lung, for showing us this amazing recipe. I haven't seen it anywhere else in Vancouver. It's delicious. I'm Mijun of Follow Me Foodie, and thank you for watching The World of Flavors. Cheers.